my dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Delhi University School, Day Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today, I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, SQ, Short Question 3, 4, Discussion. Today's lecture number 10, and I will give HW which number will be 10, and term annual 2021. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Today we will discuss question number 3 and 4. We have already finished question number 1 and 2 in the previous class. So today we will be held question number 3 and 4. Question number 3. What will we say when we meet the teachers? Answer. Teachers build us up as real human beings. We give salam to them when we meet them. We will ask about their good and bad conditions. We will talk to them softly. We must not show them disrespect. Okay, now we will start question number 4. What do our grandfather and grandmothers do with us? Answer. Our grandparents love us. Our grandparents love us. They look after us. They give us nursing and tell us stories. They also teach us good manners. We will abide by their orders and advice. We will honor them. Okay, dear students, now I am to repeat again these two questions. What will we say when we meet the teachers? Answer. Teachers build us up as real human beings. We give salam to them when we meet them. We will ask about their good and bad conditions. We will talk to them softly. We must not show them disrespect. Number 4. What do our grandfather and grandmothers do with us? Answer. Our grandparents love us. They look after us. They give us nursing and tell us stories. They also teach us good manners. We will abide by their orders and advices. We will honor them. Okay, dear students, today's lecture is very, very important, especially the question number 3. Teacher is the very dignified person and respectable person in our society. Every student should have good manner with them and behave well also with them. When we meet our teachers, then we give them salam and respect them and also ask about their conditions. Dear students, fourth Caliph of Islam, Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu says in his delivery speech, when I learn any one letter or any one huruf from any person, then he will become my teachers. Then he will as like as owner, and I am servant of them, servant of him. If he wish stay as servant, or if he wish get rid of me. So as a student we have to all time respect our teachers and honor them. Okay, dear students, now I will give today's HW. Today's HW number 10, and topic of HW, write the answer of question number 3 and 4. Write the answer of question number 3 and 4. Okay, dear students, you have to write down both question answer as HW. Question number 3 and question number 4. Both question you have to do in your assigned HW copy and submitted HW copy on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay well. See you again very soon inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.